guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. So in today's video I just want to show you how I do my Zobo drink. If you're an expectant mother, if you're planning to get pregnant, if you're a TTC mom, this video is for you. Like if you can have access to the Zobo leaves, in Cameroon we call it fulere, English name is hibiscus leaves. If you can have access to these leaves, guys, is like just go ahead and do this drink. Like you have to do this drink once in a while. It's going to help to boost your overall fertility as a woman if you're trying to get pregnant. Okay, so these are the dry leaves here. This is about 2 hands full of the dry hibiscus flowers. I already washed it and I put it inside the pot. And for these 2 hands full, and the water is going to fill this pot, guys, about, let me say, about 3 liters of water I'm going to use. And also I'm going to add in some ginger inside. I'm going to add in pineapples. So for the pineapples, I'm going to use the peeling of the pineapple to cook, to boil this this Zobo leaf, this hibiscus flower. I'm going to be using 3 pineapples. So this is the other one I've peeled here. So this peeling I'm just going to add in inside the hibiscus, inside the this pot, and I'm going to fill it up with water and I'm going to boil it. And later on I will the pineapple fruit, the flesh of the pineapple, I'm going to blend it. I'll add it only after I have boiled the Zobo leaf. Okay, and I'm also going to add the ginger later because I don't want all the content, I don't want to overboil the ginger and the pineapple to like just reduce the nutritive content of it, you know. And also there's also one thing I'm going to be adding, guys. Let me just show you very quickly. I'm going to be adding in cloves. This is about 2 tablespoons of cloves, or yeah, I can even add in even 3 tablespoons. Clove has a very medicinal benefit, especially if you're trying to get pregnant. Like it's very good for your overall health, your overall health. It cleans your body, it gets rid of infection. Even ginger, I cannot even overemphasize on ginger. Like ginger has a great benefit. So this drink is just medicine on its own. Like it's just medicine. And apart from you getting pregnant, it also has a lot of benefits. Like if you have high blood pressure, you can actually take this drink because it actually reduces blood pressure. Okay, so if you're someone that has low blood pressure, do not take this drink too much. Like don't do it like every day. Maybe do it like once a week. Okay, and yeah, do it like once a week because it actually reduces high blood pressure. So but if you're okay, you can take this drink once a week. Like it's great. And another thing I wanted to mention, what was it? I forgot. I wanted to mention something again about this drink. Yeah, so anyway, if I remember along the line during the video, I'm going to let you know. So let's go ahead and do this drink. Of course, you're going to add in sugar. So the sugar you have to control because you don't want too much sugar. Just add the quantity that's going to be okay. We don't want it to be too sweet. And also, if you also have oranges, or if you like oranges, you can add in oranges as well. Not the orange peels. You can actually squeeze the juice and add in later to the boiled Zobo leaves, to the boiled water. When you've boiled it and you've off the gas, left it to rest, you can add the orange juice inside as well. It is very beneficial, very nutritive to the body. It's very good. So guys, yeah, let's go ahead and do this Zobo and just keep watching, guys. Okay, this is the hibiscus flower, the fulere, and the Zobo. I already added in water. I'm just boiling it with just the pineapple peelings and the hibiscus leaf. That's all. I'm going to be adding in the other things later after it's ready. So I'm going to be boiling it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it depends on the quantity of water. Once you just start boiling, you just leave it to boil for a little bit, then you just off the gas. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And what I was trying to say the other time is that it also helps to give you blood. It also helps to boost your red blood cells. So if you're someone who is anemic, you can always take this drink. Like, it's real great, even for children, for kids. Like, it's good, you know. But like I said, don't overdo it, you know, because everything has advantage has a disadvantage. So we need to grab in all the benefits and make sure we avoid the disadvantages. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to let it cook and I'll get back to you in a while. So this is the drink cooked. I cook it for about like 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah. So I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit, and I'm going to add in the blended pineapple and ginger. I also forgot to mention that I already added cloves inside. So this in this pot we have cloves, we have pineapple peelings, the back of the pineapple, and we also have the hibiscus. So right here is the pineapple and the ginger that I blended. I'm going to add it into the hibiscus drink. After I've strained it, I'm going to add so this is the drink. I just strained it. I'm going to add in the pineapple, this is the drink. I just strained it. I'm going to add in the pineapple. It's still a bit hot. This is the pineapple and the ginger. You can see that it's foamy. Like, the pineapple is the one that will give you that foamy consistency. While pouring it into the container, I'm still going to sift it again with another smaller sifter, you know, to make sure that it's quite pure and very pure and clean. So with this right now, I'm going to add in sugar. You can add in sugar to your taste. I'm going to add in sugar. Actually, I already measured this sugar, so I'm just going to add it inside the tray. I recommend you adding the sugar when it's still a bit warm or hot, so that it's going to like dissolve it. You don't have the sugar settling down, you know. When it's hot, it will easily dissolve it. So the sugar is going to dissolve and nothing settling down under the bottom of the tray. So guys, this is it. This is how you do your zobo. This is how you do your foliary, your hibiscus drink. Is very healthy. If you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by today, and I hope that you're going to stay with me. And for my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I'll see you again in my next one. So have a great day. Bye. Hibiscus flower drink. This is the quantity I got. It's very, oh my god, the consistency is very like thick. This is very dark. Like, the amount of hibiscus flower I use and the amount of pineapple peeling. The pineapple peelings is actually will help you to get like a very darker color if you have a lot of it. And the pineapple itself, yes, the pineapple itself, look at, oh my god, so tasty, so yummy. I like to take it when it's warm. You can take it, but actually you have to store it in the refrigerator because you have to keep it chill. You can take it cold. If you like it very cold, you can even add some ice blocks in it and drink it. So this is what it looks like. Very, very, very yummy, tasty. So guys, thank you for watching until this point. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.